Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you the rapid polymerization of P-Nitroaniline. Check this out. All I'm using in this demonstration is 18 molar sulfuric acid. I'm using P-Nitroaniline, a petri dish, a beaker, a ring stand dropper, and my Bunsen burner. I'm going to begin by adding close to 80 grams of P-Nitroaniline. The next step is to add sulfuric acid to the surface of your P-Nitroaniline and try to do this evenly. Now you're ready to start to heat your P-Nitroaniline. Oh, there it goes. So here you can see our final product. It's mostly carbon-based, it's very brittle, and it's actually being used as a fireproof material. Very spongy. Okay, let's take a look at the chemical equation for this reaction. We start with C6H6N202. That's the P-Nitroaniline, also known as 4-nitroaniline. And as we added sulfuric acid to that, that's the H2SO4, it starts to dehydrate the P-Nitroaniline. And as you add heat energy, the reaction takes place, and you get the C6H5N2O, which is the oxidophenyldiazine, which is mostly carbon. That's the brittle product that we saw. And HSO4 is hydrogen sulfate, which is a very weak acid, and of course water, H2O, in this amazing reaction. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.